Hey everyone, it's Tristan from A+ Power Sports. We have a busy couple of weeks coming up, so we're getting ready for our busiest time of the year, and we wanted to update you with all the fun events we have coming up. Our first event will be next week at the Walworth County Fair. That is August 31st through September 5th. Make sure you come find us across from the park stage. We will have all of our riding gear there, from off-road clearance sales to machinery and more. And don't forget to mark your calendars for Wide Open Wisconsin in West Bend. That is September 23rd through the 25th. We are bringing our entire apparel department up there. This is the largest power sports show in Wisconsin, so you won't want to miss this. And lastly, our biggest event to kick off the snow season, Sled-toberFest. This is our open house we host here at our dealership. That is Saturday, October 15th from 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. We will have 2023 snowmobiles, new 2023 riding gear, giveaways, food, and lots more. So make sure you stop by October 15th. So mark your calendars for those 3 amazing events. We hope to see you there.